Hey there. I was just cutting this piece off here. My battery went dead from my Dewalt. $5. Well, probably $2 yard sale. But I didn't have any more batteries, so I grabbed my thing that I made a few years ago. I had a 1922 Sears diehard charged, but of course it don't fit this. But with this adapter that I made, yeah, this is the bottom of an old drill that I cut off in 19.2. You know, and made it fit this case of this battery. I took out the battery and I just, you know, put the wires together or whatever inside. It's only a volt and a half difference. Anyway, now I can use this battery. Finish up. So my little thing that I made here works. Makes it a little heavier, but it makes it able to work too, to finish your job, which is pretty good. Worked out all right. I made a video of that a few years ago. It's on my channel. Jeep 2001 MR8. All right, that's it.